Everyone, this is one of the craziest video on this industry YouTube channel. Okay, I know it's like everyone told that's like way, so I'm not telling like that way. So I was struggling to learn something is new. What is something? Is it you see this AWS service? What is this AWS service and why this skin? Okay, last few days and few months I tried to learn AWS end to end at the production level. So I will struggle as a beginner. Is have a lot of resources I know, but there are great resources I know, but I feel as a beginner is hands-on experience is really matter more than just tutorial. And AWS give the free resource I know, and they try and give a free to learn, but it's not worth it for me. So I feel why not build a website that I can learn and anyone can learn AWS totally free. So I built that. All right, this is a cloud computer platform. This is what is cloud, and this is everything about this AWS, and is a cloud versus preference. And this is the I first of all I show this AWS service. There is all AWS service, but first of all we go to the learning path. There is a learning path. We are going to AWS Essential, AWS EC2 is one of the most famous, S3 and Lambda and everything API. So there's a culture and this is a path, and there is a AWS for ML or AI. So this is one thing that I focus this ML as a AI engineer. So I just come here and then go there and see some information about that. And this is certificate section, yeah, but it's not work properly. Troubleshooting, there is a go, and you see this troubleshooting note. So it's just organized way these people who who learn and want to everyday revision or a cheat code. There's learn anything in anyway. So that's it, everything. And this quiz section, here you come and take a quiz. So that's gonna sharpen your brain. That's great. And here also, this is one of my favorite section is the cloud clone. I'm trying to, but it's not be like that way, but I'm trying to improve it. So here you choose your location, then after that you launch. There is a number and key, and this everything step by step, just where you rent AWS and is Lambda. So S3, there's another well coming soon, and this is everything I just covered it. So I want you come here and explore everything by your own self in security section, and I want you come here and check everything, and feel free to reach out and lab. Here is the lab section. This is one of my favorite section, is the lab section. So I'm just come here to the lab section, I just click and I just can type in here and this command, and I just use this one and just submit it so I can practice here. Okay, and something that will be worth for anyone. This is really great at that. That's yeah. So yeah, this is everything. So anyone can practice here. And yeah, this is night and morning. There is the GitHub repository. You come here and give it store. I was built it yesterday night, but I feel that before I publish it I need to a lot of update, so I have to make this update and measure changes. Then after that I feel this okay fine. Now I just turn on everything in the cloud learning platform, beginner to expert, I complete end to end. And it's open source because I want to anyone can and come and contribution, and everyone can learn so easily. So that's the reason I made this open source. So you see this everything. After this you know about everything, then you come here and you comment it and you change it, anything if you want. I feel it's valid, so you can contribution with me. That's great. And this is a project structure. You see this project structure and design system. Yeah, that is everything I cover. So come here and see and explore and get the link I just share with you. So you just come and click here, so you find this yeah, this one, just take some time because of the I'm not buying any dominant hosting. I just made it so everything is free, so this reason. And there is an important section in the project section, you can see in the project some. I'm sorry for that, I'm not cover everything in one video, but I feel that you will understand and come and explore everything. Thanks.